welcome back to Fish Big. This is going to be part 2 of McGregor. We caught so many fish in the morning that in like an hour and a half, this will be part 2. Just too many fish to show in a one-part episode. So let's get on to this part 2, and I hope you enjoy it. Pop's got one. I'm just going to reel in. Oh, you just about lost your other rig.
I didn't even have it wound up yet. I just got this drop. I was on fish immediately with that thing.
What do we got here? How's it feel?
It feels pretty good, actually.
Can't see him. He's under the boat. Oh, there he is. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. Yeah. Beautiful walleye. He's trying to stay under that boat. Let's see if I can get him. There we go. Yeah, well, look how fat that thing is. Yeah, that's a really nice one. You like that worms? Pop switched to the worm. That's a nice one. Beautiful walleye. Perfect. Let's get him back. Oh, he wasn't waiting around for nothing, that guy. Perfect. Pop's hooked into one. Feel looks nice.
Maybe.
You got the worm rig on. Yeah.
You see him down there?
Nope. There he is. Oh yeah, it's a beauty walleye. There he is. Oh yeah, nice one. Oh. Oh. Boy, they're liking them worms.
Yeah.
Maybe I should switch to the worms. Pop's just caught that one. Let's get him back. There he goes. Perfect. Pop's nailed another one right quick. Worm rigs are taking them. I didn't even reel in, so I got to keep an eye on my rod. How's this one feeling?
Same, about the same.
Same size. Nice one then. Trying to stay down.
Maybe a bit even bigger than that last one.
Oh yeah, there he is.
Yeah, it's a bit better.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a beauty. Oh, let's see if I can get it. Oh, I don't want to grab him too early. He's still got a lot of gumbo, that guy. Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh boy. Oh.
He just inhaled that worm.
Oh yeah. Okay, go stop. Okay, there's that walleye Pop's just caught. Beauty. Let's get him back. Oh, he's ready to go. There he goes. Boom, gone. There we go. One. We switched to worms, and now we're getting a lot more action. This one's coming in fairly easy. Oh, now he's staying down. No, just a regular sizer. But they're liking the worms, that's for sure. Oh, perfect. Just a little guy. Get him back, and there he goes. Perfect. Got one. It feels nice. Boy, as soon as we got on that drop, went from 14 feet, dropped into 23 feet as soon as we got into it. This one hit. What do we got here? Geez, he was ripping drag, so almost like a pike, but now he's not fighting, so I don't know. Oh, no, it's a nice walleye. That's a really nice walleye. Yeah. Long. It's one of them really long, skinny ones. Got my worm. Oh, yeah, nice one. Yeah, let's get him back. Oh, and gone. Perfect. There, got one. I just caught a really big one, and of course, I got a half a second of the film. This one feels pretty nice too. It don't feel as big as that last one I caught. Caught it, and then I looked down, I'm releasing it, and it jumps out of my hands, and oh look, I'm not recording. This one's staying down pretty good. Oh yeah, this is a nice one too. I don't think it's quite as big as that other one, but beautiful fish. Oh yeah, it's a nice one too. No, not quite as big as that other one, but nice big fat fish, this one. Oh, and he's unhooked, and there he goes. Perfect. You get to see him though. Okay. Well, unfortunately, I'm having a whole bunch of trouble with my motor, so I might have to call it a day. We're going to troll back to the other side of the lake where the vehicle is in the boat launch, but this thing, it keeps stalling out real bad, so I think we're going to call it a day, but you never know. Might get into some bonus fish here before we get back, hopefully. I'll see you at the end of the video. Okay, Pop's got one. I can't shut the motor off, or it will stall out, or then we're in trouble. We're just about back to the boat launch. I'm having serious trouble with the motor. Hopefully it's a big one.
It's hard to tell.
When you're trolling out, you just a little extra weight on it.
It's coming with, though. You're pulling with the motor. But yeah, a little bit extra.
Got to look at him in a second. This is us struggling to get back to shore, back to the boat launch. Oh, it's a nice walleye too. It's a nice one. Oh, it's a beautiful walleye. I can't stop the motor. And yeah, you get him. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, well, Pops is unhooking his. I've got one. And I can't shut the motor off. So we ran into a school. Pop's just going to turn his out. It's a nice one, about 1.5 pounds. Oh, I'm just kind of motorboating mine in. Oh, mine's just a little tiny guy. So I'll give you a quick show. Oh, just a little guy. I'm gonna get him back. Okay, let's get back to it. I got another one, and of course I can't stop the motor. Or else I'll be in trouble. As soon as I stop the motor, I can't really start it. Oh, he's on the surface over there. He's really fighting, but it's just because I'm trolling. Oh, it's actually not too bad a one. He's struggling with the motor and still catching fish. Oh, that's pretty good. Now I'm going sideways. Gotta get him a little better. Yeah, I need the pliers. Now we're going in circles. Oh my goodness, this guy, he's not even hook bad. There we go. Nice little walleye. Get him back. Perfect. There we got one. Once again, I got to keep that motor going. So this is a real fun exercise. Kind of keep the boat straight and reel in the fish. What do we got here? Stand down. There he is. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That'll be beautiful last fish, I think, for me. Pops might catch another one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Whoa, I was gonna try and give you a show, but he had other plans. Nice fish. Might be my last one. Okay, we're almost back to the boat launch. Pops hooked into one. Little one. That's okay. We'll get a look at him and then I will have to stop this. Well, maybe it's a little bigger than you think. It looked like a walleye. I seen the white fin. Yeah. There he is. Pop's got a nice little walleye. Perfect. I'll let him unhook and release it. Just as I got back to the boat launch, my motor quit. Thank goodness. But we were able to limp back. Just caught a few fish on the way limping back too. I'm going to have to tear my motor apart and clean it up, and hopefully I can get it going properly again. But anyways, I hope you really enjoyed the episode. We caught a lot of walleye in the second part, but I lost a real big one. We caught quite a few nice ones. We were using every different thing, scented baits, worms, shiner minnows, and we caught them on everything. So it was a great day. But anyways, until the next episode, get out and fish big.